Hi everyone, ready for fashion? So my name is Patricia Jan Saraon, an MBA student in Ateneo Graduate School of Business. So for today's topic, a study on efficient supply chain and fast fashion strategy for Zara. So for the outline, first introduction to Zara, second key marketing concepts, third local application, fourth is the summary. So about Zara, it was founded in 1974 by Amancio Ortega in Spain, part of the Inditex Group, one of the largest fashion retailers in the world. Focuses on fast fashion, quickly moving designs from the runway to stores. It also emphasizes on in-house production and frequent inventory turnover. So first key concept would be integrated logistics systems. How Zara implements. Zara uses as centralized distribution systems. Also, all of their products are shipped from Spain to global markets. So what are the benefits to Zara operations? It quick response to market trends, reduction in stock levels and markdowns. Next would be the enhanced inventory management. Next key concept would be fast fashion strategy. How Zara leverages. Its designs are inspired by high fashion, street trends, and customer feedback. It also has limited production runs to create a sense of exclusivity and urgency. So for the impact on market and consumers, attracts fashion conscious consumers, encourages frequent store visits and purchases, last maintains Zara's competitive edge in the fashion industry. For the local applications, uh, what are the difference between Zara and local retail company? Both companies use centralized distribution for efficient logistics. Also, fast fashion approach leads to quick turnover and reduce inventory costs. For the results and benefits, they improve customer satisfaction, increase sales and reduce markdowns, enhance brand loyalty and market presence. So for the summary, the key marketing concepts, integrated logistics systems for efficient supply chain, fast fashion for quick market response. For the importance, it ensures timely availability of products, enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty. Last, for the lessons from Zara's example, effective supply chain management is crucial for retail success, and adapting to market trends quickly can provide a competitive advantage. So here's from my end. Thank you.